I have the Rabbit R1 and I'll be showing you how to mute the system sounds. So this could be sounds that the Rabbit is making as you navigate, as you scroll through the menus and stuff like that. So what you want to do is just go to settings by giving the Rabbit a good shake and then scroll down to volume, select that using the side button and then scroll down to system, and then now you want to hold the side button and scroll to adjust volume. So to mute, you want to adjust the volume all the way down to 0, and that's going to mute. You should see that icon with a slash, and that means the system volume is on mute. And then now you can release, and then now you can go back to settings. So scroll all the way up to settings, select that, scroll all the way up to home, select that, and you're back to the home screen. And that's basically how to mute the system sounds on the Rabbit R1. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.